The Hito Integrated Territorial Organization or Hito Umsning Circle, in collaboration with the Umsning Police Station, led a helmet and license checking campaign on the Umsning bypass road today. Under the leadership of attached officer S. Wadri, the drive revealed many bikes and scooty riders without helmets or licenses. Wadri emphasized the importance of road safety and urged the public to wear helmets while riding for their protection.
Pihak bentip, pihak bersutu bagi national highway hi kamdei kata kamadan lane kata katra kaba piniale kayeres kamar kane kawandra eke kajingja kaba susi langba kane kajing le klemakor kajongki Hoi ta sisa ngi hap pentekai yala kajing imlajong ada pimpateu ya kajing imlajong ru henrei perkhat lem na kanta kinonglei kinongwan kamtam ki khulung ki khna ki bedai na kilunti ki skin kamtam apo jong national highway apredang snong ki national highway ki bayat lengba ki snong nomor ki khna ki bobun ki bayat ki balek kai ki bayat ki bayang ki balek don kam halanti skin maybe yola sa kan wanra ka era ka kajingja ka susi lengba da kajingnya klemakor ka chupi henrei kabu scam apo ka mensim ka chupi kata ba ka national highway hi kamdei kata ka track